little bit longer that time. Well. Oh, too far. There we go. So I'm starting this. It doesn't have as good a compression as the EM2. So I'm guessing that there's something wrong with the valve timing. And like I mentioned earlier, the EM2 had a lot of issues with loose set screws when I got it. So I wouldn't be surprised if some of this is loosened up while I was trying to run it. The fact that I'm getting it to run for a few minutes at a time, and it's kind of low on power though. Like I had to remove the plug from the crankcase because it seemed like the pressure building from that smaller vent was causing it to have trouble. So I will see if I can get this to run, but I'm not hopeful it's going to be really cooperative today. Oh, look at that. I may have breathed on that needle exactly right. Let's see how long this goes.